So now the pressure is dropping in the line through this drain valve. So let's see. Yeah, now the bigger pump also working. Okay, so I close.
Today I would like to show you the installation of firefighting system. So here we have installed 1000 liters per minute pump we used here, and around 70 sprinklers are there. And we have installed 5000 gallon water tanks, firefighting tanks also we have installed. So this way we have
Okay, team. Now we are going to test this pump. This is actually 1000 liter per minute pump. There are two pumps are there, and it is a three-phase connection. So there is a drain valve is there. So now we have set a pressure for this one. So we will test the both motors are working or not. We have to check because it is a automatic type. So we will drain this valve. So automatically. So now we are draining this valve. Okay. So let's see this small pump is working or not. So when there is a pressure drop is happen, then automatically initially if the pressure drop is smaller, then small pump will work. So let's see. Yeah, now the pressure drop is, we can see the pressure drop in the line. Yeah, now it's working. This pump is working. So we will close this one. Then we will check with bigger pump whether what is happening when we drop the pressure in the line for the bigger pump. So we can test that one also. So we are draining the line. So let's see what is happening. So now the pressure is dropping in the line through this drain valve. So let's see. Yeah. Now the bigger pump also working. Okay, so I close this drain valve. Then I make this one auto. So now the smaller pump is working. So whenever the requirement is if pressure drop is more, then automatically both pumps will work. Thank you.